Hello and welcome to STEOHENSTONE Afrikaans. This is the last part of our lesson number 4 on plurals, where I felt it necessary to just mention some exceptions in Afrikaans plurals. So, as always, we'll do our example sentences. And the first one is, Ek het 'n kind. So the Afrikaans word kind is child in English. So we've seen these words before. So ek het 'n kind means I have a child. Jy het baie means you have many or a lot of. So now I'm looking for the plural of child, which is children. And in Afrikaans, the plural of kind is kinders. So let's look at a few of these words that we need for our basic vocabulary and what the plurals are. The word for bottle in Afrikaans is bottle. It's very similar, but a slight difference in pronunciation. Bottle. The plural, bottles, in Afrikaans is bottles. Bottles. The word for butterfly in Afrikaans is skoenlapper. The plural, butterflies, is skoenlappers. The English word window translates to venster. Venster. The plural, windows, in Afrikaans is vensters. Vensters. The word sun in Afrikaans is seun. Seun. The plural, sons, in Afrikaans is seuns. Seuns. The word daughter in Afrikaans is dochter. Dochter. And the plural, daughters, in Afrikaans is dochters. Dochters. So you see, for these, I have a collection here where I just attach an S to indicate the plural, similar to many words in English. But there are some exceptions. The word for child, as we saw in our example sentence, is kind. So here this D is pronounced as a D. Kind. Kind. The plural, children, is kinders. So now this is pronounced as a D. Kinders. The word for hat is hoed. Again, the pronunciation, it sounds like a T. Hoed. Hoed. The plural, hats, is hoedens. Hoedens. For some reason, this word sort of is closer to Dutch than the other words in this ENS attachment. And it's not hoede, but hoedens. The word for dog is hond. Hond. The plural, dogs, is honde. Honde. The word for hand is hand. Hand. Same spelling but different pronunciation. Hand. The plural, hands, is hande. So we have these words where the letter D that it ends with is pronounced as a T, but in the plural it's pronounced as a D with some attachment at the end in terms of the sound. Then we also have some other words, as in the word for cow, which is koei. Koei. And the plural, cows, is koeie. Koeie. So this word just gets an E, an sound at the end as well. So same as before, we're gonna have our little exercise where I say the first part. For example, ek het a, and I have to decide, well, singular, I'm looking for the Afrikaans word for bottle, which is bottle. Ek het a bottle. Jy het baie. Now I'm looking for the plural, bottles, and the Afrikaans word for bottles is bottles. Jy het baie bottles. So I'll do the next ones and try and find the word and try and say it correctly as well. Ek het 'n skoenlapper. Ek het 'n skoenlapper. Jy het baie skoenlappers. Jy het baie skoenlappers. Ek het 'n venster. Ek het 'n venster. Jy het baie vensters. Jy het baie vensters. Ek het 'n seun. Ek het 'n seun. Jy het baie seuns. Jy het baie seuns. Ek het 'n dogter. Ek het 'n dogter. Jy het baie dogters. Jy het baie dogters. Ek het 'n kind. Ek het 'n kind. Jy het baie kinders. Jy het baie kinders. Ek het 'n hoed. Ek het 'n hoed. Jy het baie hoedens. Jy het baie hoedens. Ek het 'n hond. Ek het 'n hond. Jy het baie honde. Jy het baie honde. Ek het 'n hand. Ek het 'n hand. Jy het baie hande. Jy het baie hande. Ek het 'n koei. Ek het 'n koei. Jy het baie koeie. Jy het baie koeie. So this concludes the fourth part of our lesson on plurals, where we expanded our vocabulary quite a bit. Hopefully you can remember these words, and we will start to use them more and more as we go along and get to more advanced lessons. I will see you next time. Goodbye.